Hello everybody, this video is just to go over and remind you guys how to add new notebook pages into your ELA notebook and also how you should navigate your morphemes and how to record them in your notebook. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click right here where it says add the new pages. You're going to see that it gives you those pages to add. Once you've opened it up and you've made a copy, you're just going to do control and you're going to select all of the pages. So control and then select, so you can select all of them together. You're going to double click, you're going to put copy. Then you're going to find your ELA notebook wherever that normally is. You're going to find the blank space underneath the last page and you're going to double click again and you're going to paste. And then you're going to do not link. And then you're going to see that they just come up there. That's how you add new notebook pages to your ELA notebook. The second thing that you're going to do is also need to, with those new notebook pages, record your Morpheme set number 1 for the week. So how you're going to record your sets for each week, you're going to click on this link, or you're going to find this link, and there's this slides presentation that's been created. What you end up doing is for whatever word or morpheme that you need to do for that week, so like anti, you're going to find that on here. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to actually record the information in your ELA notebook. So on those pages that you just copied, you would come in here, you would write anti, you would see that that definition is in front of or before, so then you would put in your ELA notebook, in the definition, in front of / before, and then you need to go and do further research and find some examples of what words use anti as at the front of the word. So you would actually go and just Google that and then put that in your ELA notebook. We're going to do that for every morpheme that you need to do for that week. So after you're done with anti, you're going to go back here. You're going to look at your playlist, and the next word is ab. So then you're going to come up here. You're going to find where it says ab. You're going to click on that. And then once you have this information, you're going to go back to your ELA notebook, and you're going to put that right here. And you're just going to do that for all of set 1. If you have any questions about copying and pasting your ELA notebooks, or about how to use that tracker and how to put the notes in your notebook, please raise your hand and ask your teacher.